Lopez. You guys are joining me and my beautiful model Tara from Denton, Texas. I am so excited to share with you my high impact halo technique for creative colors. Step one is going to be sectioning. So I wanted to show you guys what our halo sectioning looks like. Through the top I have the crown sectioned out, and then here is what makes the halo. Down below is going to be our backdrop area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the backdrop a solid, pretty solid pink and purple. And then as I work my way through here, this is going to be my bold detailed section. And then this section up top is going to be all like a platinum silvery blonde. So I'm using the Coloron's Express toner shades in rose and lavender. I also added Pure Pigments Cool Pink and Pure Pigments Pearl Blue to the mix for the backdrop colors. So step three is going to be your halo sectioning and your detail work. The thing that's great about this is we've got a nice solid backdrop back here. We're going to do all of our detail work through this mid shaft area, through the halo section. Now what I did is I'm going to use the Express Coloron's toners again, but I used a full dropper of each one of these pure pigments. I used the Cool Pink, the Pure Orange, and the Pearl Blue mixed in with the rose and the lavender. So we've got the more pastel backdrop here and then a little bit more vibrant and bright through the halo sectioning. Okay, now for step four, the final step, we are going to paint all of this crown of head section platinum blonde. I'm using champagne and silver express toners with 2 drops of the Pure Pigments Pearl Blue mixed in. We are going to paint this over so she's going to feel very blonde even though we have such bold color underneath. So here's the results of our high impact halo technique. I also wanted to invite you guys to stay tuned for more videos coming up next.